where is the gold prices going to head towards in the near future, and specifically next week we will try to see with the help of candlestick charts and indicators. See, this is the monthly chart, and on the monthly chart it appears, see, this is the bull run which gold has seen. A top is achieved, consolidation with a retracement on the downside, and then a rise. Double top is formed, now looking downwards. But see why 1800 levels are so important, why it is failed to sustain below 1800 levels. The answer lies here. See, this is the time when gold has achieved 1800, strong resistance it's on the upside, and now once again this is the support level which is coming into picture, and that is what is happening. Gold dropped below its 1800 till towards 1786 and bounced back nicely. Now let's come back to the near term charts here. Look at this. See, this is the rally here, rise, double top, and now looking downward. So if it breaks and sustains below 1800 in the near future, we can expect that we may see gold coming till towards this zone 1600 and 1500 levels, but only if it sustains below 1800 levels. Now what is going to happen next week? Look at the near term monthly charts also. Look at the lows here. See, the lows here are well connected, and that is where it is still in the near term charts, it is still very much in this trading channel. So I'll be cautious till the time it trades above this zone at 1800 and specifically 1780 levels. I'll be cautious on any shorts for gold. Now this is just on the monthly charts. Before we proceed ahead with the detailed analysis, we will try to see with the candlestick charts first, then the indicators, and in last I'll give you the trading levels for gold next week. So don't forget to watch till the end, and do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon. Those who are new, let me share that I provide my daily analysis on gold twice a day, one early with the Asia cash session and one with the US cash session. Definitely it will help you in your day trading decisions, so do press the bell icon. Also, you can watch my other analysis on silver, crude oil, natural gas and indices including Dow Jones, Nasdaq, FTSE 100 and Germany and India index. These all analysis I share on the daily and weekly basis, so do watch that also. Now let's come back to the weekly and daily charts first before we come again to monthly candle. Now look at this. This is the daily charts for gold, and you can see this is the bearish channel in which it was trading till now. It has reversed nicely, got the resistance at 1850 levels, and yes, it could be considered this is also again the channel top there, and it has come out of this trying to break out of this channel. Also at the end of this is the reversal indication. Specifically this candle is the reversal indication on this bearish channel, and that is what we can see, gold rising again. So next week if you see it trading beyond 1855, why 1855, I'll tell you when once we come back to the indicators. We may see gold rising till towards this zone at 1870 and 1880 levels. So I'll be watchful of 1870 and 1880. If it trades beyond 1855, one can expect that gold may try to come back into this zone, and if it breaks 1880, then nothing will stop till towards 1900 and 1920 levels. 1900 may again prove out to be a stronger resistance, and beyond that 1910, 1940. Now look at the daily charts. On the daily charts, if you connect the dots here, see this is still very much in this sideways trading channel or bearish trading channel on the daily charts. The highs here at around 1940 should come into picture, and probably I will be watchful of, because this month the candle is still red. I don't expect it to trade or reverse beyond. And yes, 1940 on the monthly chart is again also going to be a stronger resistance. So this is what we can see here. A reversal is seen, a resistance is shown at 1850, and any breakout now at 1855 and above levels, definitely you can go long. That is very much clear. The next target is 1870 and 1880, beyond which we can see it flying. At the same time, any reversal on the downside from here breaking below this zone at 1836, yes, you can go short there, and one can expect that it is going to go down again. So this is what we have seen on the daily charts. Now let's come back to the weekly candle here. See, on the weekly chart, this is the consolidation zone between 1760 to 1840, almost $80. It is consolidated for long and then showed a breakout, double top done. Now again coming back to this zone at 1800, which is the pivot for this 1760 and 1840 levels. So yes, it is trading above this pivot, and also if you see the near term charts, it has seen the bottom there, got the support here. Now probably if it has to rise, the next weekly candle I will be watchful of. If it has to rise, it may try to break till towards 1880 levels, and once it breaks past 1880, one can expect 1900, 1900 10 or 1912 levels, which may provide a very stronger resistance breaking, beyond which one can expect that it is going to rise sharply. Now yes, on the other side, if you see it trading below 1836 1833 levels, you can go short. Then the target at 1820 and 1800 again, and below that we may see is coming towards 1780 levels. Breaking 1780, there could be a sharper fall till towards 1760 1740 levels. So couple of entry points we have got. Now look at this, you can consider this as reversal. Probably it may try to form this greener candle or a minor greener candle, and then probably retrace back again on the downside. So yes, a rise till towards 1940 cannot be denied for the next couple of weeks. That is what is expected. And yes, it may try to trade within this zone with a limited movement. Now coming back to the monthly candle, see on the monthly candle, this was the reversal here. After this, it is trading in this channel. Lower highs, lower lows are being seen. 1940 levels, definitely a stronger resistance. For any reversal confirmation, it has to trade past this zone at 1940 and next month at 1900. So yes, if it trades above these levels, one can expect that we may try to see it rising above 2000 levels. If it trades above 1940 levels, then and then only. Till the time it trades below 1940, see the candle size here. The previous candle, if you look at the, it has upper or larger upper body, larger upper shadow, and a smaller body. Here you can see it tried to form the reverse of it, larger lower shadow and a smaller body here. So yes, it can try to go back till towards 1880 1870 and try to trade in this zone, and then probably next month I'll be watchful of how it behaves. And yes, if you look at this, what it is trying to do here is this. So probably I'll be cautious with the longs till the time it trades. For the next week, yes, I'll not say that beyond 1855 definitely one can expect a rise, and yes, it can trade in green beyond 1855 level. That is very clear. But in the coming months, because this is the monthly charts, we have to be very cautious till the time it trades below 1940 1950 levels. Now this is what we have seen in the candlestick charts. We have got couple of entry points. Now let's have a look at the indicators here. Why 1855 is important? Look at this, the 20 period moving average, simple exponential and volume weighted, all coming together here at 1855 levels. Breaking this, one can expect that, see, the nearest resistance at 1860, and then beyond that we may see it rising till towards 1870 first and 1880 next target. Beyond that 1900 will definitely get achieved, which may provide a little resistance on the upside. Also, this is just on the indicators there. Look at the directional movement. Directional movement is trying to converge. It is trading with a narrowish movement. And if you look at here on the stochastic, see the stochastic has again come back to the overbought level. So I'll be cautious here too. And looking at the MACD, the MACD on the daily charts has just crossed over. It is diverging. This is the first green candle. Probably we may see couple or more green candles indicating that the gold might try to break 1855 levels and try to rise strongly on the upside in the coming week. That is what is seen. Probably next couple of days itself we may see a good rise, or next 3 days till the midweek it may rise strongly till towards 1880 1900 before looking forward to any downward move. The RSI is trying to look upwards on the daily charts, and similarly when you see the weekly charts here on the weekly charts, see this is the 50 period average here. It is trying to give it a little resistance at 1850 1855. It is trading above the 100 weeks average though, and then the 20 period moving average at around 1880 1890 will give it a stronger resistance for the upside move. The directional movement is bearish here. It is crossed over and it is trading with a narrow gap there. The stochastic on the weekly charts has hit a bottom here. So probably it has still the scope for it to rise a bit, and hence couple of green candles or one more green candle on the weekly charts can be expected. But look at the MACD. The MACD has crossed over. It is white divergent, indicating the bearishness to sustain. This is just the third week. Probably it may try to see, this is the high is done. Probably it may try to diminish or reduce the candle size there, indicating probably a 1 or 2 green candles followed with a drop can be expected, because right now it is divergent. It will take a lot much time off for it to converge and cross over on the buy side. Hence gold might remain on a sell for near future. The RSI is again looking flat there. Coming back to the monthly candle here, on the monthly chart there is a stronger support here at 1820 and 1800 levels, breaking which one can expect a sharper drop, and there is a resistance at 1900 for sure, a stronger one. Now the directional movement is bullish, however trying to converge and crossover, I'll be watchful of it. And if you look at the stochastic there, the stochastic is looking downwards on the monthly candle. It is trading in red, it is trading on a sell side on the RSI MACD2, and the RSI is looking downwards. So yes, we have seen the candlestick charts, we have seen the indicators. Now let me give you the trading levels for next week. So before I give you the levels, if you want to understand this markets in a similar fashion, if you want to gain the same expertise, if you want to understand the methodology and the strategies to make profit, you can join my mentorship batch. The next batch is starting on 6th of June. This is the 11th batch, and definitely by going to be part of it, you can definitely understand the markets better and become a profitable and proficient trader. Reach out to me for more details. My email and telegram IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Also, you can be part of my VIP signals group. Reach out to me for details for the same. Now also join my telegram channel, the free telegram channel which is available here. You can keep yourself updated with the latest analysis by joining the telegram channel. Now here next week I will recommend you to go long at 1857. If you see gold trading above 1857, the next target is 1870 and then 1880. These two levels are going to be very strong resistance on the upside, and then it will try to hit 1903 and 1912. So yes, I don't find that it may try to, probably this is going to be a very strong resistance for it to go upside, beyond which I will directly expect it to hit 1936 levels. So take your positions accordingly, always trade with stop loss. Swings cannot be denied, it can try to swing also. So yes, we have to be cautious. However, I will be looking forward to a bullish move, probably a little retracement till towards 1880 cannot be denied. If it you see it dropping below 1820 or 1800, then only there is a confirmation of bearishness there. So now let's talk about the levels to go short. I'll recommend you to go short at 1833. Now remember, the resistance at 1836 is going to be a stronger one, and if it drops below this 1833 levels, probably we may see it going till towards 1820 and 1800. Now yes, it can try to bounce back again from these levels, 1830 levels, 3 levels. It can try to rise back again and try to head towards 1880 levels. So this is what a probable range can be expected, but below 1833 we may see again a fall till towards 1820, which is going to be a good support, then 1800 and then 1781 levels. So these levels are definitely going to provide very strong support for gold for any downward move, but below this it will directly hit 1763 and 1741 levels. So this is what the levels are. I will recommend you to go long at 1857, beyond which one can expect 1870 first target, then 1880, and beyond 1880. See, 1880 may provide very strong resistance for gold on the upside, but if it breaks then 1900, this is also stronger resistance for gold for any upside move, and beyond which it will rise strongly towards 1912 and 1936, above which sky is the limit. So till here, till 1900, till 1880, I will expect it to retrace back sharply on the downside, and once we may again see it coming till towards 1870, 60 and below levels. So yeah, that is also very much possible. Also on the downside, where to go short is 1833. This is 1836 is a very strong support, and yes, if it drops below 1833, you can go short. The next target is 1820, 1800, which is going to be a very strong support. The 1800 levels definitely should be a very strong support. Below that, then 1781 levels should provide a stronger support, and below that it will fly heavily. It will drop heavily till towards 1763, 1741, and below that sky is the limit on the downside as well. A probable, see, I'll be looking forward for it to give you some bullish move with the little swing. So 1833 levels can provide a stronger support for any downward move, and then there is a probability that it may try to rise again till towards 1880. This is one probability. On the other side, it may try to give a stronger rise till 1900, 1903, 1912, and then drops back again till towards 1880, 1870. This is also second probability which can happen, but largely it is going to be a swing way, and largely probably it may try to act little more bullish than bearish here. So yes, I'll be trading with a slightly bullish bias, not completely bullish, but yes, 60% bullish, 40% bearish you can say, and 60% bullish means there is a higher chance for it to rise than drop. But still trade with only levels and stick with levels. Once you achieve the first target zone, keep your stop loss at or exit your complete positions or exit a few half of or more than half of the lots there. Then you can re-enter again or you can book profits later. Both is your choice. If you have closed it completely, you can re-enter again. If you see it trading in your direction, if you close half, you can keep trailing with the stop loss at cost. Always keep your stop loss at cost. This is the basics of trading, such that you should not lose in case of wider swing there. So take your positions accordingly. This is all from my side. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading week. Thank you.